The DevOps right welcome you in our new video, and today our topic is to monitor our battery health. Sometimes we keep overcharging our device, so that can damage our battery, and also it is not good for our battery health. So we are going to create a program that will help us to prevent overcharging. So this is the topic. Let's start this. Okay, now I will import psutil. That will help me to check the battery status and all. Import time. Sorry. Import winsound. Windows sound we need. Like for beep sound something. Import threading. We will need threading also to keep that script running in the background. Okay, for next we need the tkinter SDK to create the GUI and import this system import. Now let's create some intervals. Check interval. I will do it 30 seconds. And we will declare some max safe charge. Which is mostly none. Okay, we will say alert sound frequency 1000 Hz for beep sound, and we will have duration also. After that we will declare a flag, so stop flag equals false. After that we will create a function called beep that will beep, so I will just accept this suggestions. Okay, next we need to create another function, so def, let's say monitor battery. I'll say global stop flag. We will add a print statement, battery monitor started. Okay, oh sorry, this is the spelling mistake. Okay, battery monitor started. We can also include some statement like press control plus C to force stop the script. Okay, control C can stop our script, so we'll use a loop while true. We will get our battery, sensor's battery. Okay, it will get the battery percentage. We will get percent now. Battery dot percent. Also we will use charging battery power plugged. I will accept suggestions. Okay, to handle some conditions we can write if Okay, after this we will add a print like that will show the battery percentage and charging status. Okay, after this we will handle some situations like percent if is greater than equals to max safe charge, then we can say like battery, sorry I forgot the codes, battery charged to safe limit, unplug the charger. Okay, and we will call our B function. Okay, now another condition, elif percent is less than max safe charge, so we can simply say like print battery is charging. Okay, and we can add some interval, check interval. Okay, we have already defined that. After checking the interval, now we need a loop. Remember the scope, I'm starting the loop from here, for dash in range and check interval. Sorry, my system is a little bit slow. So if stop flag means the button is pressed, we can print like battery monitoring is stopped, or pause, anything you want, and then we will add a break. Okay, after checking this one, we can add time.sleep for 1 second. Sorry, we need to print it in the last. Means after this loop, battery monitoring is stopped outside the loop. Okay, we are going to write another function def and stop monitor. My system is slow a little bit. Global stop flag, and say stop flag equals true. Print, we can print, but we have already printed in the above function as well, like you can see here. So I'm leaving the print. Let's root dot destroy to destroy that, and system exit to force exit the system, means our script. This part is done. Now we are back to GUI part. Like we will creating a small GP, not GP, sorry, GUI. So let's create the GUI part. Okay, let's start coding this GUI part. So we will declare root tk, means tkinter dot tk, root dot title we can give battery monitor, root geometry. Basically, this is the dimensions of that GUI. So I'm keeping them a little bit small, like 200. Okay. After that, we will give a root stabilize. No, not stabilize. Resizable, false. This is your choice. You can give it true. That will make it resizable. We will use label tk.label and root. I will accept the suggestions. Sorry, indentation is important in Python. We will give a padding y, stop button. Okay, I will accept the suggestions. After that, we need to use threading dot thread start and root main loop. Yeah, that's done. We are done. But before running the code, we need to install like all this. Pip install psutil. So you need to install psutil. Requirement already satisfied means I have already installed. So we need to create a batch file also. You can see this is a batch file. Like you can create a new text document, then put some code in this. Like I can show you the code. Let's say edit in notepad. This is the code. You can create a text file, put the code. You will get the code in GitHub repo also, and provide your Python path where your Python executable is in your system. And another path is the file path, means where is the file present. Like for me, this is under DevOps basics, battery health monitor. Here is the file. So you know, to provide the full path, you can copy it from here and provide according to your system. Then go to file and save as, and then you need to select here all files, give it a name, and in the last you need to add .bat and then save it. After saving it, you will see a file looks like this. So you need to check it once by running it manually. Double click just. I can see battery monitor is running. I can stop. Even I can see charger unplugged. Okay, let me stop this and exit this one. I will plug my charger. My battery is 91. So let's plug in the charger. Okay, now you can see charger plugged in 91. Let me run the batch script. So I will run this batch script and this will call my main Python file. Okay, this main Python file. So let me run this, and you can listen this beep sound as well. So I will stop this monitoring and exit. Yeah, that's it. For your convenience, you can just open your Windows task scheduler and okay, now we need to trigger this code when we plug our charger. So then it will start monitoring. So we can open task scheduler and we will provide path of the script. I will go to library create a basic task, or I can choose create task. So I can give it a name, battery health monitor, as you want. And triggers, I can add the batch script. I need to choose here on an event. On an event, I need to choose log like system. After choosing system, we need to choose the source. My PC is slow a little bit, sorry. So we can choose system. We can write here Kernel-Power. Check the spelling and the letters also. Event ID, we need to check according to our system. Like for my system, it is 105. For you to check the exact ID, you need to press Windows X. Windows X, you can see the event viewer somewhere. You can see here. In the event viewer, you need to go to Windows Logs and double click the system. And what you need to do here is just wait for the screen to load. My system is slow. Let me reduce some. Okay. Now I need to press F5 for once. It is refreshed. Now you will plug your charger and wait for 5 seconds. Then unplug your charger and then again refresh the screen. Refresh this one using F5. Then you will see something like Kernel-Power or some AC adapter something. So you need to check this is your ID, event ID. In your case, it may be different. So you need to provide that event ID here and OK. For the actions, you need to choose your batch script. So in my case, it is on desktop, the batch script we created. I can simply select that batch script. Where it is, I'm not able to find. Yeah, this is, I will say open and I will OK and simply OK. Then it will be added in our task. So whenever we plug in our charger, the script is automatically started and starts monitoring our battery status. When our battery reaches above 80, then it starts beep sound. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's what we are going to do. If you have any questions, you can drop them in my comment box. The code will be available on GitHub repo very soon. You can start coding, by the way. Actually, there is another method like how we can trigger this main.py directly using Windows Task Scheduler, but I was not able to find that option, means that method. So that's why I created a test script, means batch file to trigger this file. If you found some way, means how you can trigger this file directly using Windows Task Scheduler, then also please let me know in the comment box. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.